All right, Chem 107, here we are on our next to last lab assignment. Inside the beaker, I have zero point 0.5 grams of crushed up antacid tablet. And then inside of the vial here, I have sodium hydroxide measured out to a little over 9 milliliters. And here is 5 milliliters of hydrochloric acid that I'm about to add. Here we go. Alright, and the fizzing is still going on, as you can see. It says to swirl it until the fizzing subsides. I don't know if you can still hear this, but it's still fizzing. So, I guess we're not done yet. Alright, that sounds pretty good. So now I am adding 1 drop of, I'm not even going to attempt to say this, phenolphthalein, something like that. Alright, so 1 drop. All right, and as you can see, it is just a cloudy, colorless, nothing to it. There we go. Now we need to add 1 drop at a time of the sodium hydroxide. All right, and the recorded is exactly 9 milliliters of sodium hydroxide. I'm going to write that down. All right, 1 drop. As you can see, it's a pale pink, but it certainly did not last for 5 seconds. It quickly dissipated. All right, we're going to just be adding 1 drop at a time. All right, you can see the pink. I'm going to swirl it. Alright, so it disappeared again, but I had to mix up the concoction here. I think they probably should have told you in the lab to mix it up real good and not just swirl it, because it really does need to be mixed. Because the powder just kind of likes to cake to the bottom, and it doesn't, it's not completely absorbed by the hydrochloric acid. But as you can see, the second drop still went away. All right, you can see the pink from the third drop. All right, so we're going to swirl that around. All right, well, it doesn't look like it's disappearing this time. So the third drop, all right. It's definitely the third drop. That's the equivalence point right there. So something important to note is that you definitely want to mix, not just swirl your mixture. You definitely want to really mix it up good, because otherwise it would have skewed the results. The first drop went away in under 5 seconds. The second drop would have gone away in under 5 seconds had it been properly mixed up. And here it is, the third drop. There's our equivalence point right there.